Okay, in typical form, I forgot a line of code. So I sorted that out. And so the activity is now working. Man, yeah, this is some tough code. Uh, so just use it, and I will help you to integrate this for sure. The important things being, again, what is your text? So if you can change this text here in your start, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I've got 8 texts. If you need more lines of text, you have more lines of text. The other important thing in this code, you can ignore almost everything here, except for what is the name of your fmod event? Where did that go? Here, fmod event. Line 56, 58. It's my quest dialog 01 event. So again, quest dialog 01 event, file build. And again, what you need to do in fmod is place your markers. And so for however many markers you have, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, you need to have text to deal with them up here in the start, where I simply assign 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are my texts. This is my event. Okay? And you can ignore all this other stuff. And then down here, based on the parameter name, intro, the mission, the goals, whatever you defined here, you can create an action here. So in this case, I'm simply setting the text of the text object of my timeline info text. This is a little tricky, but again, I will help you with it if you need to. But the point is here that all this text replay is in sync with the audio. So the audio again is driving the text. Perhaps tomorrow, perhaps. Tomorrow what I'll do is I'll try to do it the other way around, where somehow the text is driving the audio. Maybe. Let's see. For Celine, if this is working, if you can get this to work, wow, awesome. Talk to me tomorrow. Talk to me on Friday. And again, everybody relax, because I don't really look at anything until Monday. And I'm not going to discount you if you didn't, hit the fucking mark at the exact minute that it was supposed to be delivered. So everybody relax. Now, I know this is really hard code, and I want to get you to this point because it's actually not very hard code. It's actually really kind of copy and paste. Oh, but I understand why I need to do this, and so I know where to find the place that I need to drill in and change something. That again, I don't. What do I care about a string wrapper? What do I care about that? What do I care about this? This bit here, AOT mono invoke callback. Why do I care about that? I don't really. I just know that I need to do it. And so. All right, that's it, guys. I know this was harsh, but let me just do the playback so you can see it working in action. And if anybody wants to implement this, implement it, and we still have time to answer questions. So here I go. I'm going to run. Oh, man. It's not easy. It's game programming.
When shall we three meet again? In thunder, lightning, or in rain?
So,
when the hurdy-gurdy is done.
This is my original
When
script,
liberty is lost
right?
and won.
I exit that volume, it stops. I can go bump into the girl here. None shall pass. Next, 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 next. Cut off arms and legs. Great. I bump into my guide bot. I go over here. All right. Here's my activity. This is my activity.
Kevin. Hey, Kevin. I have a mission for you. Can you do it?
And then, of course, yes, no buttons, maybe, so it stops or starts.
I need you to find me some items. I need you to find me 4 charms. One that is old. One that is new. And one that is borrowed, and one that is blue. It is imperative that you bring me the charms by the time the NF star aligns with the Davos moon.
Done. So that is totally in sync, based on markers and marker callbacks, which is, yeah, really kind of heavy duty code. But again, folks, if you want to do the callbacks, it's basically just using this script, and in this case, I want to present some text that then matches in this event callback. Blah 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 woof woof. Down here, we get to where we actually are looking at the parameter name and doing something. Yeah, so this was much longer than I expected. And then, yeah, okay, let me think about it overnight. Give me a night's sleep and see if I can actually do it the other way around again, so that it's actually the text that drives the audio. Now, if I'm using the text to drive the audio, I probably have to bust up that audio into smaller parts, or I need to figure out how to stop and start the audio and not lose the play point, right? So if I'm playing along and I need to stop, show the text, play some more audio, stop, show the text, play some more audio, stop, show the text, that'll be another problem, which might be actually a little bit difficult to work around. So there's basically 3 solutions to this problem. The way I just did it, right? Busting it up into individual audio files and creating an event per for each, or creating an event that has all the audio in it as a single file, but then stopping and starting and moving the cue point, for lack of a better word, to a different place based on what's happening next. Ultimately, all 3 solutions are completely viable. They're completely valid, completely viable. And it's just a question of, which one do you prefer? If you have a dialogue that has 10 audio bits, you got to have 10 events and 10 files? Or can you just kind of use this marker system so that you can jump around in it? Hard to say. It really depends, case by case basis. But again, Selena, give this a try. See if you can get it working, right? See if you can just simply integrate these files into your project. If you can integrate this code file, add your markers of the same name, right? Intro, the mission, the goals, goal 1, goal 2, goal 3, goal 4, outro. This should just simply work for you. And it's just a question of what is triggering it, and it should be some sort of bounding volume. Again, it's the on this guy, it's the, oops, yeah, okay, everything going crazy. It is the, go to 3D, thank you. It is, this box. And in this case, it's this box collider that is starting the whole thing off. Good luck, and talk to me as soon as you can. If, tomorrow morning, I'm usually around by 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock your time. And that's only Thursday, and again, relax. I won't look at anything until Monday. See you then.